who we are is a second home for all of our members, our staff, our guests. And what we're trying to do is create an environment where it's welcoming and that they feel like it is part of their extended family. The board of directors made a conscious decision to take a look at all of our food and beverage offerings and look at a holistic change club-wide.
The names Everbrave suggested for our outlets all had a really good rationale behind them. And it was really easy to justify to the membership why the names Argyle Kitchen and Patio and McCullough's Pub and Social House were chosen.
They provided the board of directors as well as management a number of options, and then through different iterations, we came up with Argyle. I can honestly say it truly represents the feel, the look, as well as the menu, and everything has now been an extension on that name.
After coming up with the name options, Everbrave provided the font, the logo, branding mood boards, and suggested uses for the logo. So in Argyle, it was things like how could we incorporate it into the menu? How could we put it in front of the doors so that when people came, they felt truly welcomed into Argyle? We also had a pattern designed for the socks that the servers would wear.
We are now sitting in McCullough's. Ernie McCullough was one of our founding members and was the brainchild behind the Glencoe Club. It was Everbrave and the way that they presented the idea of McCullough's and presented the concept that won over the board of directors and management, and it became a unanimous decision at the time that we had to choose the name.
In McCullough's, we looked at how we could incorporate the logo onto the uniforms, onto the menus, and of course in this digital world, even how we could use it digitally. We had created a branding framework, and it was really great that Everbrave was able to work within our vision, but bring a trendy yet timeless perspective to the new outlets.
When members come and visit with their families or friends, and they come into McCullough's or they go to Argyle for either a special occasion or just a quick bite after a tennis game, it has helped extend what the Glencoe Club means for our membership. With the extension of that brand, we are going to continue to create those exceptional experiences.
Working with Everbrave was really a pleasure. What was so great about it is they were easy to communicate with, they were great with our tight timelines. It was really important to us that the members felt these names really represented them, and I think that Everbrave hit it on the mark.
One of our core values is relationships, and when we chose Everbrave, we chose a partner, not just a contractor. And I think that that's what I'm most proud of, is not only the brand that came out of it, but the relationship that we created with Everbrave.